Stock number 6191 for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a rare, numbers-matching 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible that was completely and meticulously restored over the course of 20 years. It has the HT-coated 327 cubic inch L79 making 350 horsepower with a correct 4-barrel Holley carburetor and Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission, plus an AN-stamped rear axle with 355 gears. It has 4-wheel disc brakes as well as independent suspension and dual-side exhaust pipes. Even the interior is correct, including the vertically mounted AM/FM radio. See all the details and nearly 100 pictures at classicautomall.com. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at classicautomall.com.